Sabonibonani, my name is Sabosiswa Nyirenda, ngihlala kaMamba. I decided to join Messi Pofaneni because I believe this is a powerful way of empowering women and building self-acceptance. I'm just excited to be in a community that celebrates individuality and positive changes. For me, being in this pageant means I'll be able to have self growth and self improvement, focusing more on my passion, values, and growth. If I were to reign Miss Pofaneni, I would go around schools, lapho khona sitawukhuluma khona just building your self-confidence, udade, discovering yourself, your identity, udade ukuthi ungubani. And talk about bullying because thine sikhule in a place where young black women are considered ukuthi babi. So ngingashintsha le perspective yokubuka tintfo kwabo, and I believe ukuthi like bantu laba dark bahle. They normally say the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Thank you.